Hi, this is Erin with Farmhouse Garden. Just wanted to do a quick lather test video with a couple of our soaps. We have our honeysuckle, our spring fling, and our pine tar. We do have a Facebook store open, and I'll leave the link below. All of our soaps are made with local fresh goat milk, and they are all colored naturally. As you can see, it's already starting to lather pretty good. It's a nice creamy lather with lots and lots of bubbles. And it smells great. Now I'll be doing a test with washing your hands and also a bath fluff. That's with the hands. And I've got a black bath fluff so you can see the bubbles. And you can see all the bubbles. Lots and lots of big bubbles. And that was only with just a little bit of soap, so a little goes a long way. Let's rinse that out. And it rinses nice and clean. Alright. And that was our honeysuckle. This is our spring fling. As you can see, again, lots of bubbles already. Alright. Let's try it with this bath fluff. See all the bubbles. Alright. They don't want to stay up. Alright, and this is our pine tar soap. This is great. Great stuff. Just leave that down there. Alright. Look at all that. That's crazy bubbles. Alright, thanks. Have a good day.